Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. Today I am going to talk about some online platform where you can learn German and you can join the community, you can find friends, you can find German speaking people, and of course there are a lot of online study material. So today I will tell you what are these materials. Some of you are already aware about this, but I would like to tell you once again. So as you can see here behind me, this is Deutsche Welle website. Here you can learn German very slow, and what you have to do, you are just supposed to write DW, okay, Deutsch lernen. Okay, you will end up on this page and you can see here learn German. You can easily learn. On the right side, just click the three dots and here you can see beginners. So this is for beginners. Click here German, okay, learn German, placement test. Here you can practice, and this is, you can see the videos. This is very good video for the beginners. Nico's week, and then Deutsch trainer A1 A1 level. Okay, so I'll click here and I will tell you what is available here. So Deutsch trainer, first of all, okay, this is Deutsche Welle Deutsch trainer. There are different lessons here. Suppose in a conversation, basic words and phrases. So these are the words. Okay, there is also a channel of this Deutsche Welle. You can access YouTube channel. They have very good vocabulary. So you can see here Deutsch trainer. Okay, I'll click here so you can listen here. Okay, no problem, you can do that. I will just show you here basic words and phrases you will learn here. Okay, all these things. Okay, when you start this, see, so what does it mean? Like you can see here, auf keinen Fall, bitte or nein. So we'll solve this exercise. We have to write the correct answer. See the picture, answer is auf keinen Fall, means in, she is denying, she is saying no, means in no case. Okay, we'll check our answer, correct. Okay, so like this. So, and now second picture, what is this? Achtung, ja, Entschuldigung. What does it mean? So it means ja. Okay, and we check, yes, correct answer. Similarly, third picture, what is this? Das ist toll, ich freue mich, das geht leider nicht. What does it mean? If you see here, so das ist toll, she is very happy, she is very happy. That's great. So like this you can practice here on this platform. I will give you link of all these, okay, websites and online platform in the description of this video. So you must go and check out these important tools. Okay, next we'll see what is next here. Grammar overview. Okay, if you want to see the grammar, so this is also available. This is grammar. Here you can practice grammar like verbs, tenses, noun, article, declination. We'll see tenses, simple past tense, perfect tense, haben, simple past, present, perfect, everything. Like haben, you can see this, present perfect with haben. Like this is the sentence. Okay, picture is given with the sentence formation. Very good practice if you want to improve your, okay, tenses. You can see some more sentences, participle perfect. Okay, so everything is available here on this Deutsche Welle websites, dw.com. okay, so I will give you the link below. You can check out and improve your language. Some other things, Fortgeschrittene for advanced learner. Okay, Deutsch für Fortgeschrittene. Okay, for the advanced learner. These are the themes, these are some videos. Okay, you must watch these videos, these are very, very important. See, for B2 level, if you are in B2 level, you can listen the news. This I always say, if you want to improve your listening skills, hören, so you must listen the news, and these news are available here. Langsam gesprochene Nachricht. You can type this directly in the Google, so you will land up on this page. So you can listen the track, very beautiful track, very slow, you can easily understand. Okay, then there are also some other videos. So these are very, very important. Ticket nach Berlin, B2 level. Levels are written below, na? B2 level, Brandon. Okay, this is Bahntag book. So all these things are available for you. Just you need to search. Einstufungstest, placement test. We'll see what is this. Wie gut ist dein Deutsch? How good is your German? You want to test your German? A1, A2, B1. Okay, we'll test. Okay, B2 B1 level. So you can test your German here. Start test like this. You can see here 30 questions, Übung 1. Okay, you have to write the correct answer here. Will das richtige Fragewort aus? You have to put the correct question word, and options are given here. Like first is woher kommen Sie? Okay, second okay, first I like, second is not here. Second wie lange second is wie lange ist es? How long is it from there to Germany? Okay, and then third we have wie weit fliegt man, and fourth we have wie viele Menschen. Wie lange, how long, wie weit, how far fliegt man, or I think it should be wie, okay, so wie weit here, second wie weit, how far is it, and wie lange fliegt man. So this way you can test your German MCQs and we check.
Woher kommen Sie? Wie weit ist es von dort nach Deutschland? Wie lange fliegt man? Wie viele Menschen leben dort?
So that's our answer. We have seen the answers, correct answer. Then weiter, if you want to move further, so there are 30 questions. You can check your German, you can check your skills. So this was the first website. Now we move on to the next important website here, setdf.de. setdf, heute, just type this in Google and you can here read German news. You have seen I have made so many videos. How can you read your German newspaper? You can improve your language by reading newspaper. So here you can find the news, latest news, politics, economy, panorama, sport, digital, weather, Erdbeben, like latest news you can see here. Latest news is of Turkey, Türkei greift, okay, Kurdengebiet in Syrian arm. We know that Syria is in very difficult situation nowadays due to the earthquake. So this is the news. If you want to read in detail, you can read that. It is available. Okay. Or if you want to watch live TV, it is available. Live TV here. Okay. And then suppose we see the news about sport. So sport is here. Okay. So here news related to the sport. If it is available, then Wirtschaft, economic news. Okay. You can see here aktuelle Wirtschaftsnachricht, current economic news. Okay, Deutsche Bank chef, German bank boss. Okay, now price routes. So these are the news that you can watch here. You can improve your language. So this is very good. setdf, you must remember setdf. I will put the link in the description. Third is very important. Just type on Google Deutsch für dich. Click the first one and this is the page, and here you have to first register yourself. Okay, when you land up here, you have to register yourself here. I have already registered myself, so I will go to Anmelden. So this is my page, and here you can join the German speakers, people who are in different countries, different region. You can contact with them, or you can improve your German language. So there is a community of German speaking people, Deutsch für dich. Okay, this is the initiative by the Goethe Institute. So you can see here my learning German content. Okay, so here imperative start exercises, like if you want to improve German grammar, so you can start here. Okay, you can see different things. Schilder. Okay, look at this photo. What is this? And here, what is this? What do you see in this photo? Okay, mobile is ringing, so it is banned here. Handy bitte ausschalten, mobile please switch off. Okay, and this second picture, so you have to see the picture and write the correct option. What is this? So this type of exercise you will find here. It's very good for practice. Okay, and then bitte beachten Sie. Okay, this is another. Now you have to find out the suitable answer. What does it mean? Okay, you can see the picture and you have to write the correct answer. So likewise, there are so many practice exercises. so that you can improve your German language. So these are all important tools that I would like to tell you, and some other important things like imperative forms to give command. This is also video, so you can play on your own, okay, and do this exercise. This is very good. This is very good for practice. So all these available online. You just need to click the link below in the description and start learning German. I hope these platform would help you in a great manner and in a very interesting way. You can improve your German, you can learn German, okay, in a very interesting manner. You will not feel bored and you will enjoy learning German. And this is what we are doing here, to encourage you, to motivate you every day so that you learn German and you can make your career. Thank you so much for joining. If you like this, please hit the like and subscribe the channel for further notification. Thank you so much. Bye bye.